World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we're going over how to get a higher CPM on YouTube. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON World. Now, I want to make this video short, to the point, and with as much information as possible. Now, I've been doing YouTube for about 4 years, and as of recently, 2019, I began to see a lot of success with YouTube, trying out a lot of different methods. And I want to share with you guys, if you're a content creator, somebody out there getting inspired, thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I want to share how to increase the CPM. Now, when you are going into YouTube, the CPM that's a term you want to understand. Now, CPM is the cost per mile. On YouTube, every 1,000 views represents a mile. So what we're going over is how to increase the amount you get paid per 1,000 views, because it changes based on the content you create. Now, I got a list of videos right here. You can see on the left, list of different videos. You can check out the name titles. You can see the YouTube ad revenue that was made off of those. And right here is what we want to focus on: the monetized playbacks. We also want to focus on the playback based CPM, because this is the CPM that's getting, recorded for your monetized playbacks. Like, you may have 1 million views, but only 750,000 of those were monetized playbacks. So you want to focus on the monetized playbacks and the playback based CPM. Now, I got a variety of different type of videos, from entrepreneur type videos to funny viral videos to music videos, videos explaining different products, videos talking about spiritual things. So my CPM varies, and this is why I'm making this video, to help y'all so you can know what videos pay more. Now, from my experience, videos that have to do with funny content, like funny videos, entertaining content, content, that's music related, those videos have very low CPM. Now, you can see this is a viral video right here. We're looking at the top, how to repair a sink with ramen noodles. Now, you can see I got 132,000 monetized playbacks. My CPM was $4.30 per 1,000 playbacks I got. So when we go down just one more and compare it to how to attract 100,000 watching this video daily. When we compare 45,000 monetized playbacks, but I was getting $11.97 for each 1,000 plays. Big difference. So when you create funny content, entertaining content, music related content, the CPM is low. But if you create law of attraction videos, how-to videos, tutorial type of videos, how to make money, anything financial related, it's a much higher CPM. Now, for example, we're going down right here to Max Bounty paid ad secret. We're going to go right here, and you see 264 playbacks. That's how many monetized playbacks I got on this video in the past month. The playback based CPM is $50.75. And this is a video about Max Bounty teaching you an ad secret about how to use Max Bounty and create an ad. That's all I did on that video. $50 CPM. Crazy. We go up above it. Max Bounty tutorial under 10 minutes. I got 279 views this month. The CPM rate on that is $48.54. Now, law of attraction video. I made a law of attraction video past month, 1,371 views. Playback CPM $11.33. Now it changes, it's based on the content you create. You know what I'm saying? Health related content, also, it doesn't pay that much. Monatomic Gold, as you can see, $6 per 1,000 views. And a lot of people don't believe this is possible on YouTube because they are under the stigma that, oh, you get $1 to $2 per 1,000 views, when a lot of those people are making gaming content. A lot of those people are making funny videos, entertaining content. Not to say that that doesn't add value, but the content that teaches people things about money and about finances, or like different financial related topics, as you can see, like law of attraction, me doing tutorials, those pay the most money. You can see some of my CPMs, like law of attraction explained in 5 minutes, gets $10 per 1,000 views. So you see, and then you can see me talking about SoundCloud here, how much does SoundCloud pay out, and I get $4.90. You can see me reviewing a herb product right here. I'm reviewing an electric grinder. $2.90 per 1,000. It's not that much money compared to when you talk about financial, the law of attraction, how-to, tutorial style videos. So for people out there creating content, if you want to know, this could save you a lot of time, a lot of money. If you want to invest into a YouTube career, think about teaching something of value, of teaching people how to make money, teaching people anything to do with their financial status. That pays the most on YouTube. And it's other ways to make money on YouTube, but this video is based on how to increase your CPM. If people wanna, you could have been a gamer the whole time and you want to change your audience and talk about things that pay you a higher CPM, like the law of attraction, any how-to type of videos, tutorial style videos, all of those pay more than the normal YouTube video. So how to increase your CPM on YouTube. It's your boy YON WORLD. Hope y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. I got this page up here for y'all so y'all can pause it and dissect it, and y'all can see what type of videos I'm making and how much the CPM, how much money YouTube is actually paying me for that. So it's your boy. I'm out. Peace. Thank you.